Okay, folks, example number 3 says that in your math class, your semester grade will be determined by your mean score on 8 tests. Now, that doesn't mean like you're not nice, but it means your average score on 8 tests, okay? To get an A, you need a mean of 92 or more. So far, your scores are, let's see what we've got here. 85, 97, 92, 94, 84, 98, and 88. Okay, now that's 7 scores. So we have one more test for our 8 tests, and we want to make sure that we get an A. Now think about this. To find the average, I add up all of the numbers and I divide by the number of numbers, but we're missing one. But let me write it down first. Let's just see what we're looking at. To find the average, I do 85 plus 97 plus 92 plus 94 plus 84 plus 98 plus 88 plus X. I don't know what that last test needs to be, but I know if I divide all of this by 8, that means that I'm going to get 92. Well, the first thing I need to do is add all of these up. Let's just put them together, because I can, right? 85, 97, 92, 94, 84, 98, and 88. Notice I'm not using a calculator because I have a brain. Okay? 5 and 7 is 12, and 2 is 14, and 4 is 18, and 4 is 22, and 8 is 30, and 8 is 38. So I'm going to put down my 8 and carry my 3. 3 and 8 is 11, and 9 is 20, and 9 is 29, and 9 is 38, and 8 is 46, and 9 is 55, and 8 is 63, so 638. So now I can rewrite this equation over here, and I know that I've got 638 plus x. When I divide that by 8, I'm going to get 92. Well, here's where I have to ask myself a question. If I divide this number up here by 8, if I divide it by 8, I get 92. So that means that this number up here must equal 8 times 92, right? If I divide this by 8, I get 92. So if I multiply 92 by 8, that's going to give me that number. Okay. Well, let's check that out. 92 times 8, that's going to be 8 times 2 is 16, carry my 1. 8 times 9 is 72, and 1 is 73. So that means that the number up here needs to be 736. So 638 plus x is equal to 736. All right. Well, fortunately, we've been solving equations. How do I get rid of 638? Well, I'm going to subtract 638 from both sides. And that's going to leave, these two will cancel out. That leaves me with x is equal to, I need to borrow from my 3, it becomes a 2. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now I need to borrow from my 7, it becomes a 6, and that 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. And then 6 minus 6 is just 0. So that means that I need to make a 98 on my last test so that I make an A in the class. All right? Okay. Good job. That last one's a challenge, okay? I want you to think about the way that we did that one, because you'll have something like that for your homework, and you should give it a shot, okay? All right. Good job. You're ready for your homework. See you later.